About 6 months ago now, I replaced the engine motor mounts in my Porsche 911 996 model with some from the Type 911 shop. The ones I got are aftermarket ones that were originally for the 964 and 993 RS engine. They're aftermarket ones but are suitable for 996 and 997. The kit cost me £125 plus VAT, which included all the washers and bolts, so everything that you needed to be able to fit the new mounts to the car. I've done a separate video showing how to fit the engine motor mounts, and you can see the link in the comments. The original engine motor mounts that were in my car were in a really poor condition, so it's probably not the best comparison from how the car was prior to fitting these to how it is now. But they've really tightened up the handling of the car. It really feels a lot more planted when I'm going around corners. I've taken the car to a track day in the time that I've had these fitted, and it performed absolutely flawlessly. After seeing feedback from others who'd replaced the factory mounts with more solid aftermarket ones, I was really expecting that there might be more vibration or noise in the cabin, but it hasn't been at all. I've been very surprised. Something that is vastly better with the new engine mounts is gear selection. Previously second could be somewhat difficult to get into gear when the engine was cold in particular. Now it's very slick. The whole gear change is very, very smooth now. They're a really good price, very good value, and I found the performance to be really good. Not had any issues with them at all. So it's not noisy, there's no harsh vibration at tick over. So I'm very, very pleased with these, and I'd really recommend them to anyone else.